5. Longevity rules from Japan's oldest doctor. You are not tired. You are not getting old. You are just living wrong. Japan's oldest doctor, Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, lived to 105 years old. And he didn't just survive, he thrived. Practiced medicine until age 100. No pills, no gimmicks. Just 5 rules that kept him sharp, healthy, and unstoppable. Let's get straight to it. Rule number 1. Live with purpose. If you wake up with no reason to move, your body starts shutting down. Purpose keeps your mind sharp, your energy high, and your life meaningful. Work, create, help others. Whatever lights you up, do more of it. Rule number 2, don't retire. Dr. Hinohara kept working well past 100. He says retirement is a trap. Stay active, stay useful, stay curious. Your body follows your brain. Keep both moving. Rule number 3, eat light, eat smart. Forget fad diets. He ate small portions, mostly plants, and stopped eating before he felt full. That's the Japanese harahachibu mindset. 80% full, 100% satisfied. No overeating, no sluggishness. Just clean fuel. Rule number 4, move your body every day. Gyms are optional. Take the stairs when you can. Walk more. Stand often. He believed physical motion kept the blood flowing, the mind sharp, and disease away. Rule number 5, stay positive. Stress kills. Negativity drains life out of your body faster than junk food. He stayed joyful, laughed often, and refused to complain. Optimism isn't just a vibe, it's medicine. Subscribe for more tips on improving your health naturally. These aren't hacks. They're lifestyle shifts, simple, powerful, and proven by a man who lived over a century without slowing down. You have the power to live longer, healthier. Which of Dr. Hinohara's rules are you going to start applying today? Drop it in the comments.